Segment 5, Fatherhood, Presence, and Repairing What Absence Created. If you are a father, this segment is for you. And if you are not a father, but you had a father who was absent, this segment is still for you. Because fatherhood, presence, and the damage of absence is one of the most significant threads running through the experience of incarceration. And it cannot be addressed with a surface level conversation. If you were absent from your children during your incarceration, that absence left something, a gap, a question they may have never asked out loud, a hurt they may have managed by building walls. You cannot undo the time that is not available to you. What is available to you is presence. Now, not perfect presence, consistent presence. Showing up is not enough on its own. You have to show up prepared to listen more than you speak, to acknowledge what they experienced rather than immediately presenting who you are now, to earn the relationship rather than claim it. Children, especially older ones who have learned to function without you, do not owe you a relationship simply because you are back and ready. That relationship is built through time, through consistency, through honoring what they feel without making their healing about your guilt. And if you had a father who was absent, that experience shaped you. It created beliefs about what men do, what fathers are, and what you deserve. Some of those beliefs may still be operating underneath your behavior without your awareness. Name them, examine them, choose which ones you carry forward and which ones you leave behind. Now hear this. If you are working through fatherhood, identity, or rebuilding family relationships and need direct support, visit SolomonGraves.com. That's SolomonGraves.com. SolomonGraves.com to book a one-on-one session. We will work through this together with clarity and purpose. Here is your action step. Write one thing you wish your father had said or done differently. Then write one thing you will say or do for your child or for yourself that addresses that gap. Because the cycle of absence ends when someone decides to be present. Be that person.